Today's objective is simple. My friend and I are climbing a million fucking stairs to get to the best view of Taipei.
Let's go. Let's do this.
Almost there.
Let me tell you why this piece of metal is cool. Until 2009, what you see here was actually the tallest building in the whole world. And while everyone is waiting in line to get their 3 seconds of fame, you can fly your drone from the Elephant Mountain here for one of the most incredible views of Taipei. At 509 meters high, Taipei 101 is 62% the height of Burj Khalifa in Dubai. And actually it's only 9 meters higher than NASA's drone limit. Is this a good enough explanation?
Hiran, good job explaining.
You're welcome, Naz. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.